Thank you for watching this video in which we will explain the geocoding limits of territory site. What is geocoding? Geocoding is a process through which you take an address, you send it to somebody like Google, and you say, given this address, give me the coordinates so that I can pinpoint exactly where this address is on a map. The amount of geocoding that we can do per day right now is about 2,500. We're using a free account with Google. It is possible that as territory site we may be able to get more in the future by paying for the service. That will depend on the prices on Google and the donations that we get from the brothers. But for right now we have 2,500 a day, which means that as a whole, all the congregations together that are using territory site, each 24 hours they can use 2,500 requests. You will see that limit show up when you try to upload a file, and territory site will tell you this is the number of requests that we can send Google. Out of 2,500 today we already sent this many, and therefore we have this many left. So when you upload a file like this, for example, and the file has hundreds and hundreds of records, please be careful and do not ask us to geocode records that don't make sense. For example, this account is the account of a Spanish congregation, and you can see there's some names in here that are zero chance that they belong to somebody that speaks Spanish. A Barajas might, but a Fuller is very, very unlikely to speak Spanish. Which is why when you hit the continue button and you go to the language cleanup, we select the last names for you based on the managed language list. There's a video for that. We encourage you to watch it. The point here is that when you hit continue, we're going to submit all the addresses that you've selected to Google for geocoding. So our effort is to try to minimize the number that we geocode to only the necessary ones. That way other brothers have available geocodes for them when it's their turn to upload a batch file into territory site. So please be careful and select only the last names that you need. When you hit continue, they will be geocoded. Let's try to do that. And as that goes, you will see this is different than what you're used to because I'm currently in my demo environment. But what you will see is that the website is geocoding, is sending information to Google. By the way, this page might be a little slow because Google doesn't let us send requests with a frequency of more than just one every few seconds. So if you go to, it may take a little bit by the time you click continue there till the time you see a map. And now when you go to upload, see, it was 1,700, now it's 1,500 because we sent about 130 to Google. That's okay. We'll get more available geocodes tomorrow, but please don't waste these free geocodes by submitting addresses that you just don't need because they clearly don't belong to your language. Thank you.